It's hard to be optimistic about anything these days because sometimes it feels like, oh, I'm over here doing my little tasks while the world is burning.
I said to myself, I want to get more character animator work. And this year, I was like, be careful what you ask for.
The greatest thing about having platforms and having channels that a lot of creators and influencers have nowadays is that they can really share those messages and the things that they're passionate about and really start trying to make a difference.
I don't think directors realize how much actors are taking like cues from your face, and you only have your eyes and then you have a plastic shield in front of it and it's always fogging up and you're trying to like, you know, talk to another human being.
So I know a lot of us work from home most of the time, and I'll just be like, hey, I'm gonna jump on Twitch stream and we can just co-work together. And I'll literally just be sitting like editing or organizing files. People still wanna like hang out and chat, and it feels like I'm connected to people even though I'm still like alone in my little office.
Most people who are content creators are very driven. I find myself telling them a lot. Like, have you ever gone on vacation and purposely not thought about how you could turn that vacation into content? Go on the vacation, just do it, just do it.
Dedicating this past year and a half really intensely to working on a project that's about how do we in community help one another get through has felt really motivating.
We should be evolving. We should be learning how to take care of one another better, take care of ourselves better.
I have not for one second thought the world would go back to normal. I expect randomness because that's where opportunity for learning comes.
My word for 2021 would be anticipation.
Rediscovery.
Evolve.
New.
Ups and downs.
Love.